Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do division in Vedic Maths, and we are using the crisscross method to do it. So this ideally means 34 into something, into some number is going to give me 2869. So now let's use the crisscross method to solve it. So crisscross method is ideally 3 into this number, 3 into this, 4 into this. You're going to add that and you're going to multiply 4 into this number to get this answer. Now let's substitute the value for a. For example, if I have 3a is equal to 28, what would be the value of a? So if I take it as 3 9s are 27, my remainder will be 1. So if I take 1 here, it will not work out because 4 into, if I substitute the value as 9, 4 9s will be 36 and here it will be 16, it will be a negative answer. So I'm going to take one number less, that is 8 times. 8 3s is 24 and my remainder will be 4. Now I'm going to take this remainder 4 to this part, so it becomes 46. Now I'm going to do the crisscross, that is 3 into b plus 4 into a is equal to 46. If I substitute the value for a, it will be 3b plus 4 into a. 4 into a is 32 equals 46. So 3b is equal to 46 minus 32. 3b is equal to 14. b is equal to 14 divided by 3 will give me 4 and the remainder will be 2. Now this is not the final. We have 4b also to be done. So we have to substitute the value of b. So 4b is equal to, I have the remainder as 2. I'm going to take 2 here as 29. So 4 into b, that is 4 into 4 is 16 is equal to 29. So 29 minus 16. So if I do 29 minus 16, I'm going to get the remainder. That is 13. So my value for b is 4. Value for a is 8. And my remainder is 13. So the answer to this question, the quotient is 84. And the remainder is 13. I hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care.